Few days after the Abuja Filipino community had their family day, also celebrating Manamo, where I had so much fun. Now, guess what? I was opportune again to be part of yet another exciting cooking event. Hello, I'm Olive the Great. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and do not forget to comment if you have something to say. Make sure you turn on your notification button because you don't want to miss out on our posts. So, you remember I said in my last video that the Philippines are big on sea dishes, right? Today on this video, the Consul General of the Philippines in Abuja, alongside with his amazing team, put together a cooking and tasting event of 15 guests. And guess who the host was? Just guess. And it's Mrs. Lisa Manor. She is a beauty queen. Before I continue, I can't help but talk about how dazzling she looks. Oh my goodness, holy Moses. A mother of 5 grown-up children.
And the amazing chef
Thank
have
you.
here. So she's a content creator. She does a lot of things. Music to cooking to
Deserves a
traveling.
round of
And
applause.
she's
A round
just
of
like
Alright, playtime's over. So let's get started. We will be making 4 dishes, but for this episode, we will be showing you just one of it. So please subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will be first to see when we drop our next post of the second, third, and fourth dishes. Our first dish for the day is called Seafood Pancit Gusado. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. You can also call it Pancit Bihon. This is a popular Filipino dish that anyone can make anytime, and you don't have to travel all the way to the Philippines before you can have a taste of this yummy dish. Looking at you right now, you can actually get your ingredients here in Nigeria, here in Abuja.
So now we're ready. We're going to add some oil. We will be doing the ginisa.
To make the
Alright.
pancit, Lisa will be using bihon vermicelli, prawn, seafood mix, chicken breast, carrot, onion, garlic, vegetable oil, oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, celery, and water.
So for next ingredients, we'll be using an onion here. So we leave something for the next menu, right? Oops. Rest. Actually, chicken is the basic ingredients of pancit, as always. No, any protein will do, but chicken is always there, right? Don't you?
what did you say? What's inside? Like, is it chicken?
Yeah, the basic, actually the basic ingredients of pancit is always
So you just keep stirring it till it's cooked.
Yeah, some garlic and onion.
yeah. You just have to stir fry all those things, and then next we'll do marinated salt, and then we'll do the pepper.
So this is black pepper.
Yes, you can
But is
use
it as,
black, you can use white.
But it doesn't have this really, it's not really hot like
It's not. Let's add some soy sauce on it. Just to marinate the meat. So basically, we'll just mix it well later.
soy
Sauce, oyster sauce, which is also the most important ingredient.
Inside here, we have grinded or blended garlic, we have shredded onion, we have vegetable oil, we have mixed seafood, and we added we actually stir fry these things, and we added oyster
We
sauce.
wait for it to
and
boil.
we added,
So we have
soy
cabbage
sauce,
and carrots.
and we added salt to it. Hope
Ah,
I'm
you
not
know
missing
this
it.
one, of course, yes.
onion.
Chili is also very important when it comes to pancit, because some that don't eat much vegetable, they don't use this one.
So the next thing we did was to add our vegetables, the carrots, the cabbage, the
nice.
celery, and allow them to cook for some time. So we actually added water to it so that it can help it cook better. Huh, don't you just love this color? This is rich in so many vitamins. So while it's cooking, we just took out some part of the vegetables and so that
And
we
we are
could
going
cook
to
the
cook the
rice stick.
vermicelli.
So eat it.
You have a secondary
Oh,
career.
is it something?
Because if you overdo cooking this one, it will be
It
like
becomes
very
soggy,
sticky,
right?
soggy, will not taste
So we
good.
had to soak
Yeah,
the
exactly.
vermicelli for some time before we cook it. So we're just gonna cook it for a few minutes and bring it down.
Right. There you are.
This rice stick can actually be mistaken for African salad in Nigeria. African salad is actually cassava
Yeah.
stick. You know, they use it for African salad, or otherwise known as
Remove some of it.
abacha.
You can just put it like everything. Yeah.
So we really have to be careful stirring and separating them so that they're not clumpy. So that they don't stick together. You just have to keep separating them.
It's like spaghetti.
Use two different set of spoons or types of spoons to do that. You actually use chopsticks to do that.
That's the quality. See how it's stringy and if it's elastic. She'll find out now if it's good.
Yeah.
I'm taking off.
Want to try? Just the noodles. We have to put the. Oops. Put it on the tongue like that.
For a cook, that's the benefit. Oh, can I try? Just
Oh.
to get it. Not too much.
Kulang pa sa patis.
This actually feels like abacha inside my
Also
mouth.
very important in
I like
Asian
it.
Southeast
Yeah.
all those southern China.
You
So
use
we've added
fish sauce?
some
You
fish
do?
sauce and then we're adding some black pepper to
Okay.
You don't use a lot of substitutes. Plus you have
So
the-
we are adding our oyster sauce to give it more color. Remember, you can actually get all these ingredients in Nigeria, right? So we
Okay,
got
we're ready
our
to decorate,
frozen
okay?
foods from the fish shop in Monrovia,
So as you see,
Wuse
the
and then we got our other
pancit
condiments,
is
you know,
really
vegetables and
good,
all that
shiny and-
from the farmers markets in Maitama. Our
Yeah, then we
vermicelli
will,
is
use
ready,
some.
so we are dishing it out so that we can decorate it.
Your tongue should be locking behind the upper part of your teeth. Pancit. Mm. Yes, that's right.
And it comes from a Chinese word, tianxi. Supposedly, people would just stop by at a neighborhood or a roadside stall and just have a plate of convenient food, which is fancy.
It's actually really fast.
Mr. Roderico Atienza, the Consul General of the Philippine Embassy in Abuja, has been really
Yes,
helpful in
that's right.
explaining a lot of the cooking
Nowadays,
to me, as
you
well
can
as
buy
Mrs.
those.
Laser.
I mean, it's already this one.
Oh, by the way, where are the plates for the tasting? Because we're gonna have smaller plates, right?
Yes, right.
So we
I
are
have a cooked
garnishing.
shrimp here. Where we
Woo!
can
At
put
this
the
point,
garnish.
like I couldn't just wait
So the highlights of
hop
everything
on
is
this
one.
yummy looking meal. So we're garnishing and with the vegetables that we kept aside before
Yeah,
now, and
because
then
you
we're
know
going to
here in
use, the shrimps.
Nigeria
We
you
actually
don't
fried
have
the shrimps
fresh
salt.
seafood. So once you get yours, you have to cook it right away. Not like us in the Philippines where you can go to the wet market. It's not frozen. And here it is, our pancit bihon seafood style.
Ta-da! Here's the meal, our pancit,
Okay,
pancit
freshen up.
bihon seafood style. I hope you really learned a lot in this first episode. Watch out for the next episode.
It's actually a Hokkien word, which is the same word used in, surprisingly, in Singapore.
This is chicken. I think you should taste this. Then I should add carrots for you. Oh yeah, that's
On the
me.
food demo part, there's limestone.
I hope you were able to learn how to make the pancit dish from the few time you spent with us in the kitchen. Next week we will be teaching you something totally different. So stay tuned, turn on your notification, share your videos with your friends, and make sure you like it. It's still your girl, Olive the Great, signing out now to see you next week. Peace.